Hey folks, I'm gonna get Clearwater 124. Get a new camera. Just shooting a little video here, trying it out. See my mess over here. It's getting close. There's my wide angle lens camera up there in the corner. And over here, I'm running out of wire. There we go. Over here, it's hard for me to tell if you can see them, but I have several wires hanging from the ceiling, and that's how my track is suspended. This back straight is all hanging from wires from right here under America all the way along here to right here behind the Cocoa Beach sign. I hope you can see that. Yeah. So I'm getting ready to wrap some Christmas stuff up. You see that? All right. Oh yeah, there it is. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. See you later.